Strengthening Faith 98. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is important for Muslims to regularly judge and assess the strength of their faith in order to ensure they are heading in the right direction in life and improving themselves step by step. One of the best ways one can do this is by observing their condition in between the 5 daily obligatory prayers. Even though offering the 5 daily obligatory prayers is an excellent start, but one must bear in mind that even the hypocrites in the time of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, would even pray. One must instead observe their condition in between the 5 daily obligatory prayers. They should assess their aims, desires, hopes and fears in order to evaluate whether they are living in the right way. All of these things influences how one uses the blessings they have been granted by Allah, the Exalted. The more one focuses their aims, desires, hopes and fears on the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, and preparing for the hereafter, the more they will use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Him. This has been outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. If one finds that they are using the blessings they have been granted in ways which are vain or sinful, then they are failing to fulfill the purpose of their creation and have forgotten Allah, the Exalted, for the vast majority of their day, even if they pray. This will lead to stress and trouble in both worlds. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life.
A Muslim must improve the strength of their faith by firstly minimizing using the blessings they have been granted in sinful ways. Then they must strive to minimize using these blessings in vain ways. They should assess each blessing and apply this model until they find that they are using all the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. This is the path to peace of mind and success in both worlds, as the controller of the hearts will not allow this Muslim to suffer a dark and constricted life in either this world or the next. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.